Hey guys, what's going on? It's been a long time since I've talked about my CNC. I built this, it's been over a year ago now. I finished it last May, not May of this year, May of last year. And I had a ramps board set up on it. I never got the firmware done on it. And it just sat in my garage for over a year. My wife's like, come on, you need to work on that. Well, eventually I did. I had done a DIY laser, and I bought a cheap CNC board for my DIY laser that worked real well. So I went and put the same thing on here. They're about 35 bucks on Amazon. And my motors weren't working properly, so I had to make some plugs for it. Like over on the V1 Engineering site, the way he has them wired here. I'll put a picture on the screen of the plug, but yeah. And then I got my accesses, they were working right, they weren't grinding. And I did one print. I went over to Easel, found a file, threw it in Candle. I did make it too big, it's a dragon's head, and as you can see, I went off the pine there. I made it too big, but that carved really nice. So I went ahead and started my second job. And it's on the other side here. I got blue tape and C8 glue and activator on it to hold it down instead of clamping it, but it just started screwing up from there out. And my axes are grinding on it. And I don't know what's going on. Let's see, yeah, my axes are grinding on it. I'll have a short video here. There's going to be jets flying overhead. But with power completely off, it moves back and forth, and it has a little bit of a grinding sound. Now, my belts are very tight. The steppers appear to be good. Why the one print came out perfect and the others didn't? I mean, on the Y-axis, it seems to be grinding. And on the X-axis, seems to be fine. Then my Z moves up and down fine. Also, I took off the end stops I put on it. I realized that I don't need end stops. They're a waste of time. I'll center over my work. I'll X, Y, and Z and zero out over my project, whether it be in the center or the corner. Probably the corner. That way, if I've carved something in the center and I need to change out my bit, I can come back down and zero out my Z in the corner of the work. But, yeah, like I said, yeah, I've got one good print out of it, even though I oversized it, but it did carve very nice. And I don't know what in the hell is going on, so this is more of a what's your opinion type video. It isn't like, here's what I did, what do you think? It's like, I'm having problems, I need some help. So maybe you guys will have some ideas. Maybe you're going to tell me that control board is complete crap, and I need to spend 200 bucks and get a real control board. Hey, that might be the issue. I'm tethered to my PC. I've got a USB cord about 20 foot long. I'm tethered to my PC. I'm running Candle to load the files. And I don't know, it's just driving me nuts. But I'm really happy with what I've done so far, even though it's only been one job. It's been sitting for over a year, and I got one job. It's like, wow, this is cool. I put the sides back on it. It's not that loud. I can close the door to keep the dust in, then take my shop back for now and vacuum it out. Of course, I'll put an attachment on here where I can, suck up my dust and sawdust. But for now, I'm not. I'm just trying to get it up and running right. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave me a comment down below or PM me. I would really appreciate some advice to see what you guys think might be my problem here. Here's my steppers I got on them. And that light went out, so I'm bumping the emergency stop button there. But yeah, when things go haywire, I just bump the button and boom, there it goes. But yeah, if you have any advice, I'd really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Take care.